Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. I'm riding Hank. He hasn't worked cows in a little bit, and he's a little bit cow fresh, gets a little aggressive toward the cow. It also has to do with controlling a horse's energy. So if you work cows with your horse, this is going to be a good video to get you to get a balance between the horse working the cow and you controlling the horse's energy. That's always a balance that you have to reach when you're working a cow. Whether you're doing working cow horse, cutting, team, whatever, you have to reach that balance that's needed for the event that you're doing. So let's go over here. I'm gonna get this cow and we're gonna get him to move, and I'll talk to you about what I'm doing. We're gonna go to the cow with a little bit of energy. We're gonna trot. Right there, he got strong right there before we even got to the cow. So I stop, back him up. Let's go back forward again. Go in a circle right here. Circle, circle, circle. Bring his energy this way. I talked about this in that other video. I'm not pulling him back, but I'm just putting him in a direction that energy that he's wanting to give me is kind of hard to give me. So now I feel like I have his mind back to me. Let's trot to this cow again. I feel him kind of swelling up. Wasn't too bad. Speed the cow. I want him to rate the cow. When the cow speeds up, I want him to speed up. But I don't want him to speed up more than what the cow speeds up. That's where we've been getting into trouble. When the cow speeds up a little, he's been speeding up a lot. And that is a problem. There, the cow stopped and looked. He stopped and looked with the cow. That's perfect. Let's see what we get here. All right, let's stop and see what we got. Whoa. Go. Wasn't as good as it could have been, but it wasn't as bad as it could have been either. So I want to bring the horse's energy up, work the cow, ask him to stop, and I want him to listen to the cow when the cow speeds up and when the cow slows down. But I want him to stop when I say to stop. He has to listen to both of us. A little faster there. There, he rated back a little bit on me. That was good. A little bit out of position. Whoa. Let's go around, let's do it again. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but he was trying to get in front of that cow and stop that cow. I don't want to stop it. I want to rate it. I did not tell him to go in front and stop it. Let's try it again. This time I'm going to try just picking my hand up a little bit in the rate instead of stopping it completely. Let's swap sides. See if we can get a rate this time. Wait back. There we go. There we go. Look at the cow. Look at the cow. Whoa. That was better. That was better. Let's do this one more time. I'm going to keep working this with him. We'll work it a couple times and then give him a break. I'll keep working this with him until we get a good rate where he rates and stays in that position to rate him to pass and turn, no matter how fast that cow's going. Let's stop here. Whoa. All right, let's go back and push it the other way. There we go. Much better rate. Whoa. Much better. The boots that I'm wearing today, I'll put a link to those in the description. These are the boots that I like when I'm working a cow pretty hard. When I used to use nothing but polo wraps, but I've swapped to these. They're a little quicker and easier, but I also think they're better than the typical sports medicine boots. So I'll put a link to these in the description. So if we can rate this. Now that's where we have a little bit of problems in the corners. I'm going to have to do some corners. There, much better rate coming out of the corner. Let's see if we can. There we go. I like that. Whoa. Much better turn.